You see, once Einstein was asked, what do you say about the creation of this world? How did this world come into being? Einstein smiled and said, I'm a scientist and my work is to observe and to state conclusions on the basis of observations. Unfortunately, I, in this capacity of mine as a scientist, was not present at the time of creation, therefore I can't say. He was pressed. He said, but everybody must have some conception about the nature of the world and about its origin. He said, yes, as a scientist, I believe for myself, this is my inner conviction, that the world must have begun as a point of light in intense motion. As a point of light in intense motion. And this point of light projected itself in terms of extension and became space, and its motion projected itself in terms of duration and it became time. It is again something tough, philosophical. But we will come down as we proceed.